Will and Ginger sit on a park bench, discussing their relationship. Let's listen to their conversation.
Have you seen Slacker today?
No, I haven't. Check it out, Will. I'm about to find my future girlfriend right here on this app. Haha.
Dude, seriously? You think that's how it works?
I'm so over being single. I need a girlfriend who gets my vibe, you know?
Maybe you should try meeting people in person. It feels more natural.
Where would I even start? I don't know where to go.
Dude, you can join a club or class to connect with like-minded individuals.
But what if I'm too nervous to talk to someone?
Just be yourself. Start with small talk like asking about their hobbies.
Gee, that sounds easier said than done.
It takes practice, but it's worth it. You'll build confidence over time.
Hello. Welcome back to the channel. Today's practice will be divided into 3 parts: listening, drilling, and understanding expressions. Let's listen to the second scene, where Will and Ginger walk to catch a taxi.
Speaking of meeting people, I've never met your girlfriend. What's she like?
She's kind, witty, and really easy to talk to. We just click.
How did you two meet? Was it through a dating app or in person?
In person. We met at a friend's party. I wasn't even looking for anyone at the time.
Really? So it just happened naturally?
Yeah, we started talking about music, and the conversation just flowed.
That sounds so much better than swiping on a screen.
I know, right? It's like when you're not trying, that's when it happens. And we just had so much in common. It was crazy. We both love the same bands.
That's awesome. Did you ask her out right away or did you wait a bit?
We actually exchanged numbers that night, and then I texted her a few days later to see if she wanted to grab coffee.
Nice, I'm glad it worked out. You two seem really happy together.
Thanks, here's our ride. Let's roll.
Now listen to each expression and repeat it twice.
Dude, seriously? You think that's how it works? Dude, seriously? You think that's how it works? Maybe you should try meeting people in person. Maybe you should try meeting people in person.
I'm so over being single. I need girlfriend. I'm so over being single. I need girlfriend. Where would I even start? Where would I even start? I don't know where to go. I don't know where to go. But what if I'm too nervous to talk to someone? But what if I'm too nervous to talk to someone?
Just be yourself. Just be yourself.
If you're enjoying the video, please consider subscribing and liking to show your support. Thank you. In this final part, we'll analyze common expressions from the conversation that are frequently used by native English speakers in everyday discussions, and I encourage you to practice them. Check it out. Check it out is a casual way to say look at this or take a look. It's used when you want someone to look or pay attention to something. The phrase check it out is commonly used in North America compared to other regions.
Example, hey, check it out. This is the picture of my boyfriend I meant to show you. Hey, check it out. This is the picture of my boyfriend I meant to show you.
I'm about to means you are going to do something very soon. It's like saying, I'm ready to start, or I'm just going to do it now. For example, if you say, I'm about to eat lunch, this means you're going to eat lunch very soon.
Example, I'm about to leave for work. Do you need anything today? I'm about to leave for work. Do you need anything today?
Overbeing. Overbeing usually means someone is tired of or done with something. It shows that a person no longer wants to deal with a situation or feeling. Earlier in the conversation, Ginger said, I'm so over being single. It means he does not want to be single anymore.
Example, I'm over being stressed all the time. I just want to relax and be happy. I'm over being stressed all the time. I just want to relax and be happy.
Like-minded individuals. Like-minded individuals means people who think the same way, share similar ideas and interests. If you and your girlfriend think the same way, like the same hobbies, or like to read the same books, you're considered like-minded persons.
Example, I joined a club for book lovers so I could meet like-minded individuals. I joined a club for book lovers so I could meet like-minded individuals.
Just be yourself. Just be yourself means act natural and don't try to change who you are to impress others. For example, when meeting someone, whether it's a romantic interest or a job interview, some individuals change their personality to make a good impression, pretending to be someone they're not. The phrase, just be yourself, means don't change who you are.
Example, don't worry about impressing them. Just be yourself, and they'll like you for who you are. Don't worry about impressing them. Just be yourself, and they'll like you for who you are.
Witty. Witty is someone who is smart and funny in a clever way.
Example, he always makes funny jokes at the perfect time. He's such a witty person. He always makes funny jokes at the perfect time. He's such a witty person.
Ask someone out. To ask someone out means to invite someone on a date because you like them.
Example, Tom was nervous but he finally asked Sarah out for dinner. Tom was nervous but he finally asked Sarah out for dinner.
I'm glad it worked out. The speaker is happy that something ended well or was successful. Worked out means something went well, didn't fail.
Example, I was worried about my test, but it worked out. I got a good grade. I was worried about my test, but it worked out. I got a good grade.
Get my vibe. If someone gets your vibe, it means that person understands your feelings, personality, or way of thinking.
Example, I met a girlfriend who truly understands me and gets my vibe. I met a girlfriend who truly understands me and gets my vibe.
Grab a coffee is a slang way of saying go and buy a coffee. Grab something is an informal expression, can be used in different contexts. For example, you could say, let's grab a cab, which it means let's take taxi, or let's grab dinner, means let's go get dinner, or let's go eat dinner.
Example, I'm really starving. Let's grab lunch at that new restaurant downtown. I'm really starving. Let's grab lunch at that new restaurant downtown.
Easier said than done. This is an idiom means that something might sound simple when you talk about it, but it is actually difficult when you try to do it. For instance, you want a diet to lose weight. You often talk about it, but you never took action. It's easier said than done.
Example, Jake said I should wake up early every day, but it's easier said than done. Jake said I should wake up early every day, but it's easier said than done.
There you have it. Thanks for watching, and I apologize for not including every expression in today's video. Due to time's sake, I had to choose. If you enjoy my work, please support me by clicking the like and subscribe button. Take care.